kind of insane that this is literally coming out on the 9th, which is 3 days from now. But I'm excited. I'm excited for Z Fold 7 and see what it looks like in the end. It's coming out, it looks like, on a Wednesday, which is kind of weird, but not really, I guess. So here's another picture, and now we're actually getting pictures of the unit because it comes out in 3 days. You're going to start getting leaked pictures. You know, it's going to start getting out there. So right here we have a blue color, which looks absolutely gorgeous. Outside display, I thought it was going to be bigger than this. But I guess, I mean, when you put it side by side with a Z Fold 6, it's bigger. But when how did the candy bar cell phone outside display yet? The Pixel Fold series, excellent with that. For the Z Fold series, we're not there just yet. We're going to get there, I feel like, eventually. But we're not there just yet. Now, this is the inside display, obviously, with a cover. Cover being like the factory cover that you get when you go ahead and get the phone first. So, still an absolutely massive inside display. We are getting to that point now where it's like, is this really a phone or tablet? I feel like with the G Fold that's coming out, which is a tri-foldable phone, that's going to be questioning the tablet type scenario, but I will still say I prefer Google's versions of their foldables over Samsung's right now, but it's my personal opinion. Still a very beautiful phone, and obviously, yes, I still love Samsung as well, so even though I do prefer Google, Samsung's still absolutely amazing and looks really freaking good. So, shout out to Samsung for that. Again, like I said, it's going to be on July 9th is when we're going to see these phones for the first time and actually get a beautiful look at them. So, hoping that it ends up being a situation where some of the problems that people are speculating on are not going to be problems. Like, for example, the battery. The battery is the same exact size as a Z Fold 6, which a lot of people are upset about. Rightfully so, because is it going to be optimized? How are they going to optimize it for a bigger display inside and out when it's the same exact battery? So a lot of people are speculating the battery might suffer a little bit and we might see some issues with the battery life early on, in the process of the Z Fold 7. Hopefully not, obviously, but you never know, and we have to wait and see. But I'm just hoping no issues, no problems. We are 7 generations into this at this point, so I'm expecting no problems at all. But you never know. You got to keep speculation up there. Peace out, guys.